afternoon, evening, whatever it is by the time I get round to releasing this. So a little bit of a rush. We're going to go spend an hour with Freddie, who you haven't met yet on the channel. He has a silver Evo 6 that we're taking to SPA and Ring with us. He's also got a Clio Dinger. We need to sort headlights, 3 out of 4 headlights across the 2 cars. So we said we'll give him a quick hour, so we're going to head over there now. We might take like the carpet, the drill rush attachments to try. There's nothing to lose, see if we get round to them. The weather isn't brilliant, a little bit cold. So let's go see. The Clio headlight is horrendous, we'll probably start on that. So I'll pick up with you in a minute when we're there through movie magic. And we're back. Wow, that Clio was rough. That was easily 3 times as long as doing the Evo headlights. So there's no footage of the Evo headlights because we started to lose the light, as you can see. Before and after pictures just in them. I'll throw them in now, see what you think. So that was all done with different grades of sandpaper. My trusty machine polisher that is always my fallback too. And it's a fast gloss 500 compound. That's trying to think then, but it's a light pad to try and keep your mind down. We dressed them afterwards with some soft 99. He said it's a Kiwi wax that he used. It's out of his collection. I didn't take my own with me, but it looks. But you'll see that in the shots. So enjoy the finished product. Oh, I forgot. If you like this, let me know, and I'll keep doing them. And we'll see how bad we can get some. Get some. You know what I mean? Obviously, yeah. Let me down in the comments below. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Till next time.